Showing you the Gidadwa railway station, and the area is very affected. Near area is Bentabad, is very much affected to the drugs. You can see the thing. Youth are continuingly taking. You can see the taking the drugs. You can see the thing. This is the much backward area of this area. You can see the thing. This is the very much backward, and this is called Bentabad area of Gidadwa. I am showing you the. You can see the thing. This is the. These are the Nasadis of the Punjab in Gidadwa. It is very dangerous situation in Gidadwa area. The youth are declining. You can see the view. They are taking various drugs, various injections. They are taking various injections, various smoking patterns. Their habits are continuingly. This is the Bentabad area, most backward area of the. There is no facility provided by the administration. They are living in very bad conditions. They are living in very bad conditions. You can see nearby the railway line. This is Gidadwa railway station. But the neighboring area is the Bentabad area. This is much affected by the, you can see, by the drug peddlers. Drugs peddler, you can say. This is the area. This is the area. Most affected area of the Punjab. Bentabad is here. And the youth is unemployed, backward. They have no sense of their individualism. They are adopting various patterns of drugs. I'm showing you the things. This is the very, very dangerous zone of the Gidadwa area. You can see. Mostly crimes are created and developed by this area. Due to the ignorance, due to the, you can see the railway station. Railway station is here. Everybody in here. You can say the this is the drugs pattern of the Bentabad village peoples. They are using by the politician only for the vote banks. There is no facility of ATM, no facilities of, you can say, banks, no facility of civil hospitals. The people are very poor due to their ignorance, due to their, you can see the pattern, you can see the things. Youths are continuously in the depth. You can see the thing, and the basic pattern of drugs is very dangerous. Drugs is very continuously increasing. You can see the youth are continuously in drugs, and they have no sense of their originality. This area is a very dangerous zone. People are continuously under the clutches of drugs, and under the clutches of drugs, under the clutches of smoking. You can see the thing. All are searching new patterns of drugs. You can see the things. You can see. This is the area. And this is most backward area of Giderwa called Bentabad. Or Bentabad basically is a village. Lot of voters are residing here, but they are living a very filthy, very deserted life due to ignorance, due to, you can see the thing. And they are doing politics on the name of development. You can see the lifestyle of the people of the Bentabad. You can see that. It is also a big problem. Stray animals, stray dogs. This is a bohard tree. This is a very old tree. You can see the pattern of the children. They are fighting and playing on the name of the leadership. So it is a big problem here, and the fundamental problem is that they are searching their lifestyle, and this is a bohard tree. It is a good thing in this area. Maybe this bohard tree is approximately 100-year old. You can see the lifestyle of the people. They are BPL, approximately BPL residents. Intercity is coming. This is, I am showing and capturing the lifestyle of the people resident of Bentabad area. You can see the things. You can see the thing. This is most backward area. People are continuously crossing the lines.
For your kind attention, please. Train number 14527 from Bhatinda to Sri Ganganagar Intercity is just arriving on platform number 1.
A lot of melas, a lot of you can say the rallies and Julus are here, but they are not developing in true manner. You can see the area. It is very dirty area of the Giderwa city. Government and administration must work for their development. They are the labor class. Their lifestyle. They are in very clutches of drugs. Yeah. हाँ जी भाजी
2 मिनट गल करनी
just wait.